Hello, this is Master Tineo, and in today's tech lesson, you will learn how to cut or trim videos. You want to cut or trim videos when you want to get the good parts out of a video and take out the bad parts. We're gonna look in photos for a video to make cuts. When we find the video, we're gonna press Edit. And now I'm going to play the video. I'm going to see if the video is good. So far so good. And this part is not good. I don't want to keep that part of the video. So I'm gonna use these arrows. I'm gonna move them. I'm gonna move them so the video finishes until here. I'm gonna play the video again. I only want that little piece of the video that is good. I play again, and then it stops. Yeah, that part is good. I want to keep that part. So I'm gonna press done. And now save video as new clip. Good. Now I have the part of the video that is good. I can repeat this with the other good parts of the original video. I'm gonna try again. So I have another part of the video that is here. So I'm gonna slide the arrow here. The video starts here. Good. Good. So it has to finish before that, before it gets bad again, until here. Only this little piece I want to keep. This is a good part. So I use the arrows to have that good part, and now press done. Save video as new clip. And now I have this new part of the video, a good part. I can repeat this until I get all the good parts of my video. Now you give it a try.